Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two prerequisites, the proper OS version and a signed-in Apple ID. Once that's done, make sure you've updated the Capital One app if the extension requires app pairing. Next, open Safari and go straight to Safari Preferences Extensions to view available items. You're starting the install now. Select the Capital One extension entry and click Install or Enable. This initiates permission prompts that you'll handle in the next steps. Once the extension begins, you'll see permission prompts asking for site access, autofill, and possibly notifications. You should grant only what you need. For example, enable on specific Capital One domains rather than all sites if you prefer tighter control. If Capital One requires device verification, follow the app pairing flow or enter the one-time code. This confirms it's you. After verification, open the extension's preferences inside Safari to tune. You're nearly done. Confirm the extension shows active in Safari's toolbar and that the Preferences checkbox remains checked. Then test it on Capital One's site by signing in and trying an autofill or secure action to ensure integration works. If something fails, first restart Safari and check for updates to Mac OS, Safari, or the Capital One app, then repair the extension if needed. If issues persist, disable/re-enable the extension and repeat the verification steps. That resolves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.